This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus Cursor. Figma is a powerful, cloud-based design and prototyping tool, widely adopted by UI/UX professionals for creating stunning user interfaces and experiences. On the other hand, Cursor is an innovative, AI-first code editor, specifically engineered to enhance developer productivity through intelligent code generation and debugging. We will explore their distinct functionalities and help you understand which tool best suits your professional needs. Figma truly shines in collaborative design environments, enabling multiple team members to work together in real time on a single project file. Its robust prototyping features allow designers to create highly interactive flows and animations, bringing designs to life before development. With an extensive plugin ecosystem, Figma offers unparalleled flexibility for various design tasks, making it the go-to solution for user interface and user experience design. Cursor's primary strength lies in its deep integration of artificial intelligence, offering powerful features for code generation, intelligent debugging, and efficient refactoring. It provides an intuitive chat interface, acting as a knowledgeable assistant to help developers with complex coding queries and explanations. Supporting a wide array of programming languages and frameworks, Cursor is meticulously designed to significantly boost developer productivity and streamline coding workflows. Ultimately, the choice between Figma and Cursor depends entirely on your specific professional role and project requirements. Figma is undeniably superior for design, prototyping, and collaborative user interface and user experience work. Conversely, Cursor stands out as the better choice for software development, coding, and leveraging artificial intelligence for programming tasks. Consider your primary responsibilities, design or development, to make the most informed decision for your workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.